So we talked about the human eye, right? So it has various type of cells on that retina. Now the retina is the base surface. Do you know how eyes evolved? It evolved as a photoreceptor because not a single thing is evolved like instantly. So first in beings like bacteria, what happened? They began to get in very light, low light, and the whole type of condition. So they began an area for photoreceptors, which recepted those things. Now they started to get inside the hole. The curvature started to get in, and thus leading more light in. That's the thing. Now, after letting that know what happened, it developed a whole curvature in them, and it developed a small opening. So, instead of the large light, it can control the amount of light, and that amount of controlled light would be focused in the backside. And now evolution, because of the starting, the from the starting they were photoreceptors. Now those photoreceptors evolved into three types of cells: rod cells and cone cells. And other thing, I mean, I'm talking about three colors of the cells, three color of the rod cells. Let's understand that. So that happened. Now the photoreceptors are converted now, and the curvature is formed. So where does the lenses come here? Lenses were just meant for focusing. So to increase the focus distance, the body's calcium began to modify itself. Just so now everything in body is made from element. So every type of modification in any being, for hardness it would be of calcium and carbonate, these type of thing. These are the general type of harder material. But everything is just made of elements. That's the basic concept that I'm trying to say here. Now after knowing all of this, what else? The else that comes here is we were talking about the lenses, right? So lenses got made now to increase and decrease lenses. Various type of irises formed, and everything just came later and later as a gradual modification. But it all started from a single opening at the region of photoreceptors, and thus it evolved into an eye. So each being has this process, and eyes are really beautiful. I mean, you can see that you have really beautiful eyes, right? So they are all formed from evolution with a great process, a great unique process. That's the thing. Also, various body organs like ears are also serving a purpose. Like the outer structure of the ear is not necessary for hearing, right? Yeah, it is. Because if you cover it up like the various grooves that are present here, if you cover them, if every curvature is covered, then covered with a play-doh or something, so the curvature evens out, then you will decrease your perception of hearing the direction of the sound. Like if you turn off your eyes or if you close your eyes and hear the sound, and you can definitely tell where the sound is coming from. But instead, if you are what? If you are not having the outer structure of the ear, then your perception for the sound direction will be demolished. So that's the thing. Each thing has a purpose. The appendix is thought to be vestigial. It is not vestigial. It has a purpose. The purpose is to produce, to provide immunity. So that's the thing. Thank you.